Welcome back to Quiz Fiesta. How good is your general knowledge? Take this 50-question quiz to find out. Let's go. A runner completes 400 meters in 50 seconds. What is the average speed? It's 8 meters per second. What scientific concept explains why systems naturally progress toward disorder over time? Entropy measures the level of disorder in a system. Sunlight reaches the Earth in nearly. Sunlight reaches the Earth in nearly 8 minutes. What is the first element in the periodic table? Hydrogen. Very good. Oil, natural gas, and coal are examples of fossil fuels. Which protein in the blood is responsible for transporting oxygen? It's hemoglobin. A cheetah runs 120 kilometers in 2 hours. What is its average speed? The average speed is 60 kilometers per hour. What is the main cause of seasons on the Earth? It's the tilt of the Earth's axis. Which of the following below best describes what an incubation period is? Incubation is the time between infection and symptom appearance. A soccer ball eventually slows down after being kicked across the field. What force causes it to stop? It's friction. What are our skin layers called? It's epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. A human heart beats how many times in 1 hour? A human heart beats 4,200 times per hour. A moving car has energy because of its motion. What type of energy is this? It's called kinetic energy. In the human body, which organ removes waste products from the blood and excretes them as urine? It's the kidneys. A group of stars forming a recognizable pattern in the sky is called a constellation. Every living thing is built from a basic building block that performs essential functions. What is this smallest unit of life called? The cell is the basic unit of life. What is the main chemical name of table salt? The chemical name for table salt is sodium chloride. What planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Clearing vast forest areas for land use results in what environmental change? It's called deforestation. A sequence of DNA that codes for a specific protein is called a gene. Pick the correct option. Albert Einstein was a Albert Einstein was a theoretical physicist. What element has the highest melting point? Tungsten has the highest melting point. How many hydrogen atoms are in 5 molecules of water? It's 10 hydrogen atoms. What does plants produce during photosynthesis? Plants produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. The moon orbits Earth in about 27 days. How many hours is that? The moon orbits Earth in about 648 hours. A planet rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours. How many degrees does it rotate in 1 hour? A planet rotates 15 degrees in 1 hour. If a human body contains 60% water and weighs 70 kilograms, how many kilograms of water are in the body? It's 42 kilograms of water. A car travels at a constant speed of 40 kilometers per hour. How far does the car travel in 45 minutes? The car travels 30 kilometers in 45 minutes. In chemistry, what pH value is considered neutral? pH value 7 is considered neutral. What type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? It's potential energy. A hexagon is a polygon with how many sides? Hexagons are 6-sided polygons. What organ in the human body produces insulin? It's the pancreas. What is the process by which plants release water vapor into the air called? The process is called transpiration. What does the French word bonjour mean in English? Bonjour literally means good day. The theory of relativity proved that time and space are connected. Which continent has the most countries? Africa has more nations than any other continent. What is the process by which caterpillars become butterflies? The biological process is called metamorphosis. In economics, what does GDP stand for? GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. The process of water turning into gas is called evaporation. What is the purpose of the United Nations? The United Nations was created to promote international peace and security. In drama, what is the term for the main character in a play? The protagonist is the term for the main character in a play. What type of blood cells fight infection? White blood cells protect the body against bacteria. What part of the atom has a positive charge? part of the atom that has a positive charge is proton. Pick the smallest U.S. state by land area. Rhode Island is the smallest U.S. state by land area. What is the unit of measurement for electric current intensity? The unit of measurement for electric current intensity is the ampere. How many zeros are in a billion? It's 1 followed by 9 zeros. Acrophobia is the fear of... Acrophobia is an intense, irrational fear of heights. Which chess piece moves only diagonally? The chess piece that moves only diagonally is the bishop. What is the sum of interior angles in a triangle? The sum of the interior angles in any triangle is always 180 degrees. What is the largest desert in the world? The largest desert in the world is Antarctica. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Comment below your score and don't forget to like and share for more fun quizzes.